may be available under multiple brand names and or in several different forms. Any specific brand name of this medication may not be available in all of the forms or approved for all of the conditions this used here as well. Some forms of this medication may not be used for all of the conditions this used here. Your doctor may have suggested this medication for conditions other than those listed in these drug information articles. If you have not discussed this with your doctor or are not sure why you are being given this medication, speak to your doctor. Do not stop using this medication without consulting your doctor. Do not give this medication to anyone else even if they have the same symptoms as you do. It can be harmful for